Today's story name is In the Kitchen. In the kitchen, preparing tools. This recipe book has lots of cooking ideas. One of these tools is for peeling potatoes. Peel off karna, chilna. Slicing tools. Knives are very sharp. Be careful of your fingers. Chop chop chop. Slice matlab काटना. This pizza cutter will slice a pizza safely. Mixing tools. A mixer machine mix even faster. Mixing करना हिलाना. Mashing tools. You have a smashing time with a pestle and mortar. Bash, mash, crash. Mash, mash, mash. ज़्यादा छोटे टुकड़े करना crumbling. Squeezing tools. This juicer is very easy peasy lemon squeezy. Squeeze करना निचोड़ना रस निकालना.